If you've been wondering if you can make a perfect vanilla cake at home without your oven and margarine, then you need to watch this video to the end. So in a bowl I added some sugar, and then I added my oil, and then you want to give this a very good mix. I didn't really show the whole of the time I was mixing it. Now you want to add your egg. I'll list the measurements for the recipe in the description box below. You want to give this a very good mix and then add some milk. Basically, you're mixing all your wet ingredients at this point, so you want to give this a very good mix also, as you can see. Now go ahead and add your vanilla extract, your vanilla essence. Now I added mine, and you want to also give this a very good mix. Now it's time to add your dry ingredients. This is a mixture of flour and baking powder. I added this in bits. I added the first bits and then added the last portion of it, and then I gave this a very good mix. You want to turn this in one direction. You want to really give this a very good mix. Make sure there is no lumps to it. Now after you're done, you want to go ahead and grease your pan. I greased mine with some vegetable oil as well, and then I added my batter in the pan. Now you want to go ahead and add this in a preheated pot. I already preheated this pot. That's the stone inside the pot. I already preheated this for about 30 minutes. So I popped that into the pot, and then I baked this for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, I checked with my stick to know if my cake is done. You want the stick to come out very clean, but in this case, it wasn't so. So I kept on baking. I baked for extra 15 minutes. Then I popped in my stick again, and it came out very clean. So at this point, my cake is done. You want to be so vigilant not to burn your cake. Now look at that. Look at all that. So I allowed this to cool before I removed it from the pan. So you want to make sure you grease your pan, because if you don't grease your pan, it will not come out very clean, and your cake or your batter will stick to the pan. If you watched at this point, please give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to drop a comment in the comment box below. Now look at that cake. And honestly, the taste of this cake is so nice. I'm not even joking. Will you be trying this recipe? Bye. See you in my next one.